I started using this iPhone SE 2020 model in 2024 to test how it performs in this year. I tested the things like gaming, camera quality, day-to-day usage experience, and some extra things which you will use in everyday usage. Right after shifting my SIM card from Android to iOS, the first thing I liked in this mobile is its form factor. It's very small and light in weight. Here is the side-by-side comparison of Android mobile I'm using and this iPhone SE. Okay, now I'll share each and everything that I noticed while using this mobile. I'll break down this video into different topics so it's easy for you to understand much more than you anticipated. Starting with the display, this is a Retina IPS LCD panel having a size of 4.7 inches. This is a 16:9 display. The display is good for almost all the basic tasks that we use every day. Also, the outdoor visibility is also pretty decent. It goes up to 625 nits of peak brightness. The touch response rate is good. The viewing angles are also good. But there is a problem I noticed in this model. It's the size of the display. I'm not very comfortable to watch YouTube videos, movies, or any other video content in this mobile. In this small screen, it doesn't feel the good watching experience. The sound quality is good. The stereo speakers are really loud than what you expected. When it comes to the typing experience, it's good. And the one thing that I mesmerized is the vibration or the haptic feedback. Wow, I didn't feel this type in any Android mobile till now that I used. Also, you get the old-fashioned and super trendy home button, which is really nice. So overall, the display is good for basic stuff like chatting, attending phone calls, WhatsApp, etc. For watching videos, I personally didn't like it and I won't recommend it. Also, I played some games I'll share in the performance section. In every mind who are going to buy the iPhone having this thought that the iPhone cameras are great. In this mobile also it's applicable most of the times, but during some times like dark conditions, it's not. I took most of the photos in daytime conditions in both natural and artificial lighting conditions. I really felt good for the quality I got in this mobile. By the way, the back camera is a 12 megapixel one that is supported for 4K video recording option, HDR, PDAF and OIS are available. On the front, it's a 7 megapixel camera that supports for HDR, gyro, electronic image stabilization, and it can maximum shoot up to 1080p 30 FPS videos. The quality of the videos and photos are looking good in this mobile. Also, in the camera app, you get some additional options like portrait mode, slow motion, and etc. Daytime conditions, it's good, but during the night time, I noticed some grains if the light is not good enough. And this is common in almost all the mobiles. Even I checked the autofocus in 4K video, it's buttery smooth and really good. Also, I want to mention the mic quality also while recording the videos. It is also good in this one. Have a look at the example. This is a 1080p 30 fps video by using the front facing camera, and the audio also you are listening from the mobile itself. Overall, the camera is good in this mobile. Coming to the drawbacks, there is no 4K option or 1080p 60 fps in front camera because many of the users want iPhones for video recording purpose. Next one is you notice noise in photos and videos during the low light conditions or nighttime shooting. Coming to the performance, it's amazing. This iPhone SE packed with Apple A13 Bionic chipset. This is a 4G supported chip. You don't feel any lags or frame drops while using the mobile in day-to-day time. And this processor is overkill for these things in my opinion. Even I tried to play some old and new games in this mobile. The gaming experience is good if it is a one finger movement game like Temple Run or Subway Surfers, etc. But if you play multiplayer games like PUBG, Call of Duty, it's complicated. The processor handles very well, but the display is too small to operate the action buttons, and also the visibility is not that good. I mean, I'm telling like small objects. Coming to the heating issues, yes, you notice heating if you play the games or while using the cameras or even using in direct sunlight. Look at the form factor of this one. With this tiny mobile, heating is common. That is the main drawback up to now when it comes to the small sized mobile phones. Even Asus also Gen series, which comes with very compact mobiles, but heating issues are pretty common in those. Hey, but during the normal usage, you won't find any heating issues at all. I noticed that temperatures are crossing more than 38 degrees Celsius, and it varies from location to location and the task you are performing. So overall, the performance is top notch for this mobile, and you notice some heating issues if you use it like heavily. By the way, I didn't use any back cover to it. In that condition I'm testing. If in case you use the back case, maybe the results are a little bit changed. Coming to the software, this iPhone SE is currently running on iOS 17.3.1 and this one is supported for up to 2025 software updates. There is no issue with the software update when it comes to Apple mobiles. They push on time updates for what they promised. So software update is not a big issue for the iPhones. This mobile is packed with a just 1821 mAh battery capacity and the charging speeds are 18 watts wired and 7.5 watts wireless. The battery backup is pretty good and decent for my usage. I get this for one complete day, where I mostly use for normal tasks like chatting, phone calls and occasional usage of camera and gaming. If I want to tell you the SOT, then it's somewhere in between 4 to 5 hours and the standby time is really good. Do note this guys, this usage experience is in both indoor and outdoor conditions I'm telling. Now I'll share some extra features that I really liked and some features that are not available in this iPhone SE 2020 model. Number one is this Touch ID. I really liked it. Number two is this alert slider. It's handy to turn mobile into silent or normal mode. Number three, the haptics are amazing. Number four, the weight. It's just 148 grams only, very light in weight. Number 5, IP57 water or dust resistant. Number 6, dual SIM support. One is physical and another one is a eSIM. Number 7, stereo speakers are available. Now coming to the features that are not available are, number 1, there is no 5G support is there in this iPhone SE 2020 model. Number 2, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack support is there. You need to buy a separate dongle which connects this lightning cable, converter I'm telling, lightning to 3.5mm, then only you can use the wired earphones or headphones. So finally, for whom this mobile is for in 2024 and whether it is a good choice to buy at least a refurbished or second-hand mobile. The answer is this mobile is good for those. Number 1, 5G network is not needed. Number 2, eSIM is manageable. Number 3, okay with small display. Number 4 is want to experience the iOS software. Number 5, no need of 4K video for front camera. Number 6, decent battery life is enough. And finally, number 7, gaming is not a major priority. If these fits you, then you can buy this mobile. And also do note that this mobile is supported for only 1 more year of software updates. Choose wisely and stay updated with the tech. That's the video guys. See you again in the next video. Keep supporting and keep tracking your health because health is wealth. Peace out.